Welcome to workappHome.com. That's WORKAPPHOME.com. Today is the future you've been waiting for. Learn how to turn your ideas into apps, whether you're a small startup company or a small mom and pop company who would want to be able to do it yourself, make your own app because you've made your own website. Now it's time to make your own app. Or you could do like I've done. I've made $300 to $1,200 a day in very small markets, going out there selling apps, building apps, getting out there to all these small mom and pop companies out there who would love to be able to be in the app store. Now, in just a few short minutes here, we're going to show you how to set this up, how to get it going, and get you out there and start building today. We'll even give you your first two apps free. You sign up free, and then we'll give you your first two apps free so you can be able to sell them, make the money off of it, come back to us, and be able to start selling apps today. So, building iPhone apps and Android apps with no coding is how our system works. You could use coding if you want to hook up APIs for the backend, or if you want to be able to use some HTML because you've done HTML with websites and things like that. We have those there products available too. But we're here to help you and show you how to upgrade your marketing and advertising into this multi-billion-dollar industry. Our YouTube training offers you how to make and submit apps with zero experience. You don't need to know nothing about apps. All you got to know how to do is just turn on a computer, drag and drop, copy and paste, and be able to click whatever you want and upload information into it for like photos and graphics and things like that there. And this your system is so easy, so intuitive, so user friendly. You'll be able to make apps within just minutes from signing up. It'll have you take through the steps. As you go through our website, you'll be able to start going 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Starts getting your app all ready to start publishing. So all you got to do is just add in the information, start working on it. Now, think outside the box, or as I tell my clients, think outside the earth. We want to be able to get you and your clients, your patrons, and all the other followers for the Android store, the app, the iPad store, as well as the regular iPhone store and the Kindle, plus making web apps. This is what our system will do. We'll be able to get you out there, get you parts of the world that nobody ever considered before. Most of the clients you're going to talk to say, I never considered this. We're going to show you how to sell to those small mom and pop companies. With 20 years sales and 2 years in selling mobile apps, we'll be able to combine all that experience and show you so that you don't have to go out there and try to learn this yourself and then fail at trying to sell because you don't know exactly what they want or how to sell to them. We will show you that there. Our system is so easy that it is right now being taught to fifth graders in Alaska. They are now building iPhone and Android apps with our system. Now, what type of app do you want to make? Or what type of app would you like to make for your clients? Radio stations, tours, videos, local bars and restaurants, travel, art, weather, news, blogs, websites. You could even have shopping in your apps where you either takes them to a website to shop or it'll have it where it opens up with a PayPal. You can put in your PayPal email address and that's it. And then they'll be able to start shopping with PayPal. You set the price on there. Plus, you could have your SoundCloud in there. Once people go to your app, they can get a push notification saying that, hey, I just uploaded new songs onto my app. And when you go to SoundCloud, it immediately, that HTML script that you take off of SoundCloud, you could embed it into our app. And every time you update that playlist, it gets put right in there immediately to all your apps. You could have a phone repair or maybe a garage repair app inside of our system. Using our system with our do-it-yourself, make your own app in minutes. Events calendar, click to call, click to email, plus apps. Now, apps today are what websites were to companies 10 years ago. 10 years ago, most companies were saying, why do I need an app? Or why do I need a website? Nowadays, they're saying, why not? But nowadays, they're saying, why do I need an app? A couple years from now, they're not going to be saying that anymore. They're going to be like, I got an app. So, but apps today are growing 10 times faster than websites ever have. We are leaving the e-commerce and now entering this new arena called the m-commerce, the mobile commerce. With this here area here, it has turned to a multi-billion-dollar industry literally overnight. And we are out here to show you how to make over $100,000 a year developing apps. Now, you could create apps and you could do like what I did, and I was in a very small market. I was sitting here making averaging $300 to $1,200 a day. I tell a client, I'll build you an app, iPhone app for $300 and that's it, no extra cost. But if you want an iPhone, Android app with it, and then I'll upsell them why they need an Android. Tell them there's more Android to iPhone users, but the iPhone users make more money than those with Android, and upsell them and tell them, well, you take that Android app, I'll take $100 off the price. So instead of $600 today, you pay 500 bucks. 500 bucks will get you out the door, and that's it. But if this company is making good money and they don't need the discount, don't offer them the discount. So you could make more than $1,200 a day, and this is just me selling these things for 300 bucks. You could sell them for 500 bucks, or 1,000, or 5,000, whatever price you feel is necessary. That's worth your time and money. But for 300 bucks and only a couple hours worth of work for me to be able to build this thing, 1 or 2 hours, and most of the time I just plagiarize their website and embed it into the app, all the information, graphics, text, you name it, and then that's it. You don't have to do much hard work, and you create your own company going out there building apps like this here. No coding, no nothing, no programming. I didn't know none of that. I studied it and I understand it, but I don't know how to implement it on making grandiose apps like this, because there's some coding out there where it requires a little more aptitude level than I would like to be able to put time into. And so I figured, what can I do to cut the curve of being able to have to build apps, make money at selling apps, and be able to get it out there to the public? Because this is a gold mine. There's every kind of mom and pop company in the world that wants to be in the App Store. And there's ones that don't understand about being in the App Store, which we are here today to show you how to get in there and get your foot in there and get them sold. Now, you could monetize off your idea. You can sell your apps at 99 cents to $999 an app, whatever price you want to set at it. Plus, you could have ad banners within your app. And with these ad banners, you're able to make money every time somebody clicks on those ad banners. Plus, you could be able to sell spots in your apps to other companies. So you could have 2 or 3 companies inside of your app, and each one of them have paid for a spot to be in there. So you're just paying for sponsorship for them to be advertised within your app, to have their own page or multiple pages. Now, to do our system here, I would like to show you how to make unlimited apps for $60 a year. $60 a year, we undercut all the other companies out there, not only by features and benefits, but by price. There is no other company out there selling apps for $60 a year for unlimited apps. You might find them for $29 a month for 3 apps or something like that there, or $50 a month for 5 apps and things like that there. But we're showing you for $60 a year for unlimited apps. Or you could build unlimited apps for life for $400. A one-time fee of 400 bucks, and that's it. You can build unlimited apps like that for life. Now, these prices will go up. So these are entry-level prices. If you sign up today on the $60 plan, you'll be locked in on that there. But if you come back in a few months from now and it's $90 a year, well, you'll be locked in at $90 a year. So sign up today and get in on that price. But also, too, the $400 plan is only like that right now. It's a limited time offer, as it shows you right there on the screen. There's no hidden fees, no setup, no nothing. That's it. Just a one-time $400 fee for life. But if you come back in a couple months and you see us at $700, well, you missed out on this great opportunity today to be able to get started building unlimited apps for 400 bucks for life. Now, go to our website, as you see right there on the screen, at workappHome.com. That's workappHome.com. WORKAPPHOME.com. And on our site there, you'll be able to sign up, be able to get going for free. We'll throw in your first 2 apps for free so you could sell them, make the money off of it, come back to us, and be able to pay us for our services so that you could be able to sign up on the $60 or the $400 plan. And when you go out there, you tell your clients half up front, half upon completion, and there's nothing else other than maybe 50 bucks or 100 bucks to upgrade each year. When they need to upgrade, you can sit there and tell them that there. So if they want to add on new locations, new phone numbers, new whatever, new photos, you tell them that whatever price you want to set for it. So, but I figure if you're going out to the small mom and pop companies, tell them 300 bucks an app, 50 bucks or 75 bucks an upgrade per app. So you'd be able to get in there, upsell them, have them keep coming back. Maybe they want the iPad app and the Kindle app later and stuff. So whatever it may be. We look forward to seeing you on our website, approving your accounts, seeing you come through, building many, many apps out there, making the type of income that I have done. I like this here so much. I went out and basically bought out my franchise and started reselling these apps myself. I've used the same system for over 2 years. Now I'm here to show you how to do this yourself. We look forward to getting your apps in the market and making you money that you want. Have a great day.